Hi traders, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. I record this video for you today to bring your attention to something that might be a rare opportunity in terms of trading and in terms of risk reward. I'm talking about indices. Now, I covered that on my last weekly review, which you can go and watch in my videos. I've been talking about this engulfing that formed here right on the edge, followed after a Marubozu. Marubozu is a candle where it ends up without any tail or shadow. We got an extreme here which is very massive. So, and the bottom line here is the levels where we stand at, and the 25 is psychological level. We managed even, I'm talking about Dow Jones now, but basically it's everywhere. The Dow Jones crossed the 25,000, cleared the levels there of, let's say, early sellers, and since then back into the game. We got these movements here, ascending levels, which simply might mean, even if that's not about to set all-time highs, there is a great chance we are in front of serious deep corrections here. That might already go and happen. And if you take a look on this extreme situation and you understand the risk reward rules here, there is a chance we are going back to the 38 too, which means you can see yourself that's 2,000 plus points, and from the engulfing it's 3,000 points. That's very serious numbers, of course. Now if you drop lower to the lower time frames and you get yourself the chance to enjoy these pullbacks like we've had there, and these little pullbacks, you don't need much more. The most important thing is you have a divergence here with you, and in that case we created the divergence on the bearish side. So once you get it on your favor, you get yourself the risk reward. There is a great chance something heavy is about to happen, and we definitely will want to take part of that, and it's everywhere. Nasdaq, you can see with this same engulfing right on the top. I alerted it on my weekly video, so I hope you're already enjoying that. We got the head and shoulders there, which is simply stunning pattern right on the top, and that might be it. You can see the risk reward here. It's a tiny risk, huge potential reward, and every two waves retraces we will get, or every retrace we will get in one leg, followed by a bearish hidden divergence, we should go and try and enjoy that. That's the American indices, and one of them that you will want to pay attention to is the German DAX, which finally created, look at that, that's simply stunning, triple cycle. Really, that's just let me remove here the level. Simply unbelievable. That's maybe even the best setup here. This is a triple cycle here, stunning situation. On the weekly chart, this is the second false break in a row. This was number one. That's number two. Right? It's really unbelievably beautiful. Classical bearish convergence, which means retraces, and we are after sells. This will be the first levels we're going to watch on the last leg of the weekly cycle. Right? We're going to hear that 11,700 first of all, then 11,100, and later on, if this is about to make the cycle of the monthly, we are going to 9,800 down to 8,600. You imagine yourself the levels here. We are talking about thousands of pips to be collected, and that's basically everywhere. You have the same setup on the French CAC, same conditions. So you choose it, you name it. Of course, don't overexpose everywhere, but the risk reward here is massive. The convergence is there, the false breaks are there. That's amazing setups. And even if that's not the top, even if that's not the top, the risk reward in such cases is a massive opportunity for the traders to go hit it and hit it hard, and enjoy from these opportunities that the Mr. Market is providing. They are rare, they happen once in a while, and normally when such opportunities comes, it happens one way. Yes, some quick pullbacks, but nothing too technical. So that's all. I'm not going to be one of those guys, online guys, are going to scream, whoa, 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 alert or anything like that, or I told you. No. The idea here is to pay your attention to something great that is developing, where you can possibly earn big time. And of course, it's all about the risk reward. You can try, fail once, fail twice, but boom, when it hits it, and then you make your money and you make big of it. So that's all. That's my view here, of course, and I hope it will help you, and I hope also that it's going to provide us great opportunities to trade and to make money from. We will know that only on after a while, of course, but for me, as long as all time tops hold on these indices, for me that's a bearish call on all the indices, and mainly the DAX, the Dow, Nasdaq, S&P. Of course, they basically follow each other. Maybe the European are the best ones to follow with, simply because they have the best of the technical setups to go with. So that's all. I hope this video helps you. Your feedback would be very appreciated, and I will be very thankful for you if you can hit the like button below the video if you enjoyed it, of course, and let me know what you think. If you agree, not agree, what else you want me to cover, and that's all. Thank you for your time, and I wish you a wonderful day and good trading. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov, Traders Academy Club.